What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way.
In this episode, we head to this stunning location, Sooley's Surf Camp. Brendo hits the surf and catches some epic waves. Anchored up in paradise, we await some guests of honour.
Ew, the salt dogs are back! Ow! Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! How are you guys? So good to see ya. I know. Mate, just raft up. Woo!
I'm jumping.
Chicken shit. V-Dog!
There you go, kids. What's happening?
With new crewmate, Baby Dawn on board, everyone was lined up for cuddles. And it was so great to have the girls back together again.
Phew. Day trip excursion on the Salt Lord's boat. Phew. So it's excursion day today. We've ditched, well, I didn't ditch Excelsior, we've jumped off and we're on board Salties. We're heading over to a, no, I'm not going to say the name, we're heading over to a surf spot. We're up here in the Telos Islands. We're all pretty frothing on it. Love this place, absolutely amazing. Yeah, there's the big boats way back there. We've got the whole crew, or nearly the whole crew. Salties, Excelsior crew and half the Allusive crew. There's all the kids hanging out, living the dream. All the boats in the bloody anchorage are falling in love with this new little human. Little Dawny, the most gorgeous thing on earth. Where are we? Not telling anyone where we are. There's the boys talking shit, talking marinas, boats, hauling out, all that sort of good stuff. Not much surf about today, but we're gonna head over anyway and get a couple of little shacks, head back, and then we're going to go and do an Equator Crossing this afternoon. So right now we're only about, I think we're about 6 miles from the equator, and Allusive have never sailed across the equator, and neither have Salties, so we're going to don the King Neptune costume again and have a bit of fun this afternoon, so it should be a good laugh. So yeah, we'll try and film as much as we can until the beer and rum comes out anyway. Yeah, stay tuned. This is the good stuff. This is the fun stuff. This is what we love. Well, let's go out and get some stuff on.
Ready?
Dawn's first session at Rangers.
Yeah.
when you're 16, darling, I'll take you surfing.
The kids hit the shore break with the local kids, while the boys tried their best to catch barrels. Then it was beer o'clock.
2 beers in hand, going. Not even mad.
This is Allusive's last moment ever lifting the anchor as Pollywogs, soon to be Shellbacks. We'll be crossing the equator in about an hour and a half's time, so let the celebrations begin. Woohoo! This is the yesterday and today is sort of the first bit of weather, like proper weather we've seen since we've been up here. It's not bad, it's actually fine, like typical sort of equator shit. But there's a heap of I don't know, you call it swell, chop, bit of wind against tide here. Like if you look just there, it's just glass, absolute glass. And then we're getting these wicked little lumpy lines coming through here. I think we've just got a wicked tide blowing behind us on the tail, and we're pushing into swell and wind, so it's just standing up. It doesn't seem like much, it's just more of a pain in the ass than anything. But I was just trying to film salties. They were getting pretty wild out there a second ago. It was pretty cool. But I guarantee you, the moment we get out of this channel, out of this river mouth here, it'll be back to glass. It's just such an anomaly, this stuff, and quite often pays to really pick your timings, because you get a channel that flows pretty seriously. Like this is only 1 knot of current. Look at that. Yeah, this is 1 knot of current against 5 knots of breeze, and it's already standing these waves up like that. So, you know, places up the top, well above the equator, there's areas there where you can get 8 knots of current through a channel, which is just crazy. You know, you couple that with 10 knots on the nose, and you'll have standing waves in there every couple of meters high. We're getting nice and close to the equator. We just handed over a bottle of rum from our boat to Allusive. They sailed up beside us and we handed them a good bottle of rum, because King Neptune doesn't drink rubbish. Anyway, we are right now 0 degrees, 0 minutes and 14 seconds from the equator. Again, it's exciting, and Sarah's prepared. This is cool. We're gonna fang up to the equator and go and stop on it and watch these guys come through. This is a big moment for them, because these guys are avid sailors, bloody good sailors. This is the first time they've ever sailed across the equator, so big moment for them. Really exciting. Look at the slops we've got. Oh yuck. Can't wait to be throwing that shit at Sam. As we approach the equator, King Neptune, ruler of the seas, we honour you as we prepare to cross this sacred line into the northern hemisphere, and ask for your blessing in our continued sailing. We are your humble servants and offer you libations and return for your protection. Ew! Ew! Got the shot at the ready, love. Here we are, 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go and dish that one for Neptune. 1 second. That's the equator for us. All right, gotta get Sarah to get a drink. Come back here. This is cool. We'll have our little shot. Quick, babe, we'll have our shot and we'll film the other guys coming across. Big one for the first mate. See what I did there. Here we go. Here's the Neptune. Here's for another equator crossing. All right. Oh, we're already 3 seconds north. Here they come. Here it is. And an offering to Neptune. He's bored by all the jewels. Congratulations, guys! Ow!
Go, Sooley!
Have another one for good measure. He's got a glass. Here comes the salt dogs.
Come over, Pollywogs.
Get away from the open hatches, you fucking lunatics.
Right.
Need to shut that down.
Vance. Andy. Will. Oscar. Julie. Where is he? Sam. There. Solomon. That's apparently using him in full. Danielle.
Very efficient.
Little dog.
You 9 Pollywogs are going on trial for crimes against the sea. You're hereby commanded to appear before the Royal Court of His Highness King Neptune in the district here of Equator.
Cool.
It has been brought to the attention of His Highness King Neptune, that's me, that the ship that you have entered these waters in carries crew that have not acknowledged the sobriety of the ruler of the deep. You have transgressed on his domain, you have too, and thereby incurred my royal displeasure. You will accept heartily and with good grace the pains and awful torture that I will be inflicting upon you with my trusty shellbacks as we determine your fitness to be one of joining my trusty shellbacks in this ceremony. You will answer to the following charges. Charge 1. Disregard of traditions of the sea. You have sailed these high seas for many weeks and have failed to appear in person to show allegiance to His Royal Highness, thereby masquerading as a person of the sea. Charge number 2. Taking liberties with the piscatorial subjects of His Majesty's kingdom. You, and particularly you, have removed maliciously from the depths of the recognised habitat and without permission you have gobbled down your own weight in creatures of the sea.
That sounds about right, Benji.
Adding insult to injury, you have processed them and returned the creatures back to the sea in less than satisfactory condition. How do you plead to these crimes?
You of all people, mate, you're guilty.
It's easier if you plead guilty, trust me. Okay, how do you plead?
I mean, it's
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Guilty as charged.
Yes, guilty. Yeah,
guilty.
yeah.
Guilty.
Probably hasn't even eaten a fish yet, has she?
You are all judged as guilty, especially you, Solomon. You shall be punished. To prove your worthiness as shellbacks, you must complete some tasks. 1. Make an offering to King Neptune. So each family has some rupiah to make an offering. So you need to atone and give King Neptune his...
right up on the front, mate. On the front of the bow there. Launch it as far as you possibly can, buddy. Oh, hang on, do you have to counter it? I just go along.
It's good for this place because you can actually jump in the water. Oh, good throw. Not good enough though. Just kept going. It just kept going.
They hit the land, I think.
Louise.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh,
Cannot.
not bad. Well done. Good, good.
Oh, shit.
I nearly made the beach.
Task number 2. You must crawl around the deck of this ship and grovel. Come on. Crawl around. Come on.
On your hands, please.
Come on, crawl around. You too.
I'm so sorry.
Grovel, grovel. Right, shellbacks. Now's your time.
I got a little bit of it on my finger.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Task 3. Enter Neptune's realm and swim around the vessel. Let's go, be experienced. Pleasure swim. Let's go, you go.
We're gonna be cleaning this boat for a week.
Little baby.
Are you guys going to stay in the water? Because I might jump in.
I think we will in a minute. Because once they come out, they're shellbacks.
Can you go and unlock the safety lines for us? Man, so you got off easy. I nailed Oscar in the back of the head with one of those rotten eggs.
Were they rotten eggs?
Yeah,
Gross.
there was 2 of them and I hit Will and Oscar, but Oscar got it so bad because he's exploded all over.
Oh, Sam's committing. He's doing the full
We should have
up.
started at the back.
Come up the back, you gotta
Oh,
get back up
look
the
at
top
all the
here.
grossness.
Okay.
The chain will probably make you dirty. There you go.
Now. Now what do we do?
Who says men can't multitask? Holding a baby, hosing a boat.
Water father.
He's helping me.
Go Johnny.
Baby.
I don't think she's guilty of eating fish yet.
I don't think she's
Baby.
guilty of anything yet.
Oscar.
You got it?
Look at the carnage. Rotten eggs,
I wasn't even aiming
cabbage.
at you, I was aiming at Will and I got you there in the back of the head. You went up as Will went down. Hopefully it rains tonight so that's salt water all over there. Yeah. I wasn't going to use
I can throw a bucket of fresh over.
No, it doesn't matter. We'll get some rain.
Oh, Julie's getting her shit wet.
This is a bit shit wet.
That's
Oh, mate,
Julie's
it's covered in
place.
eggs. Salt water's released.
Should I throw it through the wash? Hello. Hello, little Donny.
Shellback.
Neptune. You're a
Little baby.
shellback, darling.
Youngest shellback I know.
After a few celebratory rums, the boys decided it was time to cut each other's hair. What could go wrong?
Go the hair longest.
I'm doing that as well.
Yeah, Brody's too.
First up on the catwalk, Sambo, also known as the Techno Viking.
No, you're not going to do the walk.
Then it was Brendo's turn to get shorn.
Maybe not that short. That's so short.
It's only short for a week.
It's true.
That's what she said.
And last but not least was Soul Train.
Very respectable.
Good, is it?
It's good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Makes you look 6 inches taller.
You look a bit like,
Turn around.
remember,
Oh, yeah.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Yeah, you gotta be green.
That's it.
Nice job.
The blue still.
Join us next time for more shenanigans. And thanks again for watching.